Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Forex for Beginners. It's yours truly, Pablo Pips. So in our last video, we analyzed one of our signals sent out for Euro JPY, and we saw where all of those hit take profit. So like promised, here's another video for US30 where we're going to analyze how that trade performed. So again, we have US30 pulled up here on TradingView, and we have the signal here on my left hand side over on Telegram. If you want to join the fun, guys, the links for the Telegram is in the description, and it's totally free up to the next 2 weeks. We do transition into a new membership after the 31st, and it will be only $20. But don't worry, we send out over 20 signals like a day, so it's crazy. You have plenty of opportunities in the market just to profit, and you'll see just how watching this video. Okay, so right now, jumping into this, we're on the US30 index right now, and I'm using the 2-hour chart. I already located the 16th. So all of these signals generated on Monday. Like I said, over 20 signals generated, guys. There's no way you cannot profit using our signals. All right, so again, you want to make sure that you join this group before transition to paid, guys. Like I said, I've never seen a Telegram group like this before, providing so many signals and such accuracy too. So again, it's really something to take the opportunity of and just jump into this group, guys. So right off the bat, our signal for US30 was generated at price 34268. So let's go ahead and look for price 34268. So we're on the 16th, and I have it highlighted here, these candlesticks for that period as to where our signal was generated. Okay, so it was a buy signal, and we're looking for price 34268. So let me use my little crosshair tool and look for 34268. All right, so I hope you guys can see this, but right now we're at 34260. All right, 34269. So our buy signal was generated, okay, right here, okay, and TP1 was 34292. So let's look for 34292. That's 3430. All right, and remember, we're looking in the highlighted box. All right, so we can see that TP1 was smashed. Okay, TP2 is 34365. So we're going up to 34365. 34365. Up 34367, and right at that top, TP2 was smashed right there. All right, don't know if you guys can see that, but there it is. All right, that's 6365, right at the top right there. All right, let me see if I can remove these indicators. Right at the top right there, 34367, smashing TP2, and then the market went and reversed downward side. So we only hit TP1 and TP2, but not TP3. But that is okay, because at that point we'd have two positions hitting TP2, and we'd be able to break even, as well as we'll be following our risk management strategies provided in the Telegram group. Like I said in my previous video, guys, you want to check out so much value provided in this group. It's amazing. All right, it's just crazy, just the fact that so many signals are generated on a daily basis, and then you have the cheat code of risk management. It's like picking cherries. So, but once you get in the group, you'll see for yourself. But that is the analysis so far for US30 for this video, guys. Again, 2 TP smash, break even there at TP2, following the risk management strategies provided in our group. Okay, so get as much of this as you can, guys. We have 12 days remaining before we transition, right there on the 31st. 12 days excluding the weekends, of course, for Forex. But until next time, I want you to enjoy trading. Our next video will be let me see here, if I can find it. So our next video will be, let's see, 30, not there yet. So That was Euro JPY. This is US30. Alright, so our next video is going to be on Euro GBP, guys, so stay tuned. I'll see you there in the Telegram channel.